hits. And this is extended family. You've been there with me through my ups and downs. Whenever I get in trouble, this is the one I call. It's my strategist right here.
She says that she went to the MTV Video Music Awards in 2000 to catch a glimpse of her favorite celebrities.
You weren't scared to be all alone?
No, with having autism.
Let's think about the kind of people that would be involved in this. People that would be in the room, that would be facilitating this, egging this kind of thing on, encouraging this, participating.
Tony Busby law firm just filed a lawsuit against Roc Nation and Jay-Z's lawyers Marcy Croft and Quinn Emanuel for violation of various state laws, including barratry and impersonation of a public official. So Tony Busby law firm is claiming that Jay-Z's company is involved in an illegal scheme to stop him from filing claims against him and Diddy.
Now come and get 20, 40, 80 at the trap. Hit it with the rap, put it on the map, get me right back.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Starlight Scoops, your go-to spot for the latest entertainment news, deep dives into Hollywood scandals, and everything in between. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up so you never miss our updates. Today, we're diving into a story that's been heating up the headlines: Jay-Z, the Jane Doe lawsuit, and some explosive new evidence. So, let's get into it. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard about the Jane Doe lawsuit against Jay-Z. The case alleges some pretty serious claims dating back to the early 2000s, and recently, things have taken a dramatic turn. For weeks, Jay-Z's PR team has worked hard to keep this under wraps, but it looks like it's far from over.
I mean, Mr. Carter has nothing to do with Mr. Combs' case or Mr. Combs. They knew each other professionally for a number of years, just like in all professions. People know each other. At the music awards, they support each other. You go to the NBA All-Star game, they support each other. That's just how professions work. There is no
Jane Doe's
association
attorney,
between
Tony
any of them.
Busby,
That's also a
is
matter of
making
fiction.
a strong case.
That's all that there
He
is.
just
He
filed a
doesn't know anything
motion,
about the charges
hitting
or allegations
Jay-Z's
against him.
legal
He has
team
nothing to
with
do
some
that case.
serious receipts.
And there's nothing more to say.
Busby hired a retired police detective to look into Jane Doe's background, and it turns out her story checks out. This woman has been diagnosed with autism, and the more we learn about her, the more troubling these allegations become.
In addition to having autism, the woman says she suffered a head injury.
I stumbled upon Diddy's driver, who told me that I was exactly what Diddy was looking for.
What did you think when he said that to you?
I thought it meant that I was just pretty.
For months now, Jay-Z and his legal team...
Now, Jay-Z's team has been doing everything they can to dismiss the case. They're claiming that Jane Doe is lying and that there's no evidence to support her claims. But here's the thing. Instead of providing solid proof that Jay-Z is innocent, his team seems to be focused more on discrediting Tony Busby. They're filing motion after motion, trying to attack Busby's character, and it's starting to make people wonder, is Jay-Z getting desperate? Another thing that's raising eyebrows is Jay-Z's relationship with Diddy. You see, Jay-Z's team is publicly distancing him from Diddy, claiming they weren't really friends. But come on, if that were true, why would Jay-Z skip his own daughter Blue Ivy's recital to perform at Diddy's Bad Boy 20th anniversary show? And let's not forget about that carpool karaoke episode where Diddy literally calls Jay-Z his extended family. It doesn't add up, right?
Your homie was doing a lot of things, and most importantly, you know, he had a recital that he has to be at the fluid. But he reached out to him, and I told him that this right here was important. Bad Boy celebrating 20 years of hits. And this is his biggest family. You've been there with me through my ups and downs.
Even Jay-Z's former business partner, Dame Dash, has spoken out about this case. He recently called out Jay-Z's lawyer, Alex Spiro, for making things worse. Dame says that Spiro's handling of the case has only caused more backlash for Jay-Z and suggests that Jay should speak for himself rather than letting Spiro do all the talking.
I think right now, his silence is the worst thing for him. If he is innocent, he needs to let people ask him questions, and he needs to be able to say his side of the story, as opposed to letting that lawyer talk. Because that lawyer, I don't trust that lawyer because I went to court with him. So to me, everything that guy says is, allegedly a lie, just based on my experience with going to court with him. I don't trust the Alex Shapiro dude. He's ill. He's an ill dude. He'll say anything. She's like, he crazy. You know what I'm saying?
And if that wasn't enough, even the judge overseeing the case has started calling out Jay-Z's legal team. The judge slammed Spiro for filing combative motions and attacking Tony Busby in a way that's only wasting the court's time. Plus, the judge has ruled that Jane Doe can remain anonymous for now, which is a big win for her side. Now, fans are divided. On one hand, Jane Doe's story does have some inconsistencies, but on the other, the fact that she was allegedly in a vulnerable state during the incident might explain some of them. As for Jay-Z, his legal strategy is raising more questions than answers, especially with his bizarre attempts to erase his history with Diddy. If Jay's innocent, why is he going so far to rewrite the past? So, what do you think? Is Jay-Z's defense strategy making things worse? Or is he just trying to protect his reputation? And what about his relationship with Diddy? Was it as close as it seemed? Or is Jay-Z just trying to distance himself from it all? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Starlight Scoops for more updates on this case and other entertainment news.
Yeah.